What up, what up? So we back here again. Another car show. As you can see, we out here parked up. Got the rims on the fucking little Honda thing. There's a couple other people out here rocking some, I'm not too sure what it is, but, you know, Subi gang out here. This is another event right here in Stockton in the ballpark. And it's called Clean Culture. So I guess this is the second time they've done it, so it's for surely a new thing that's gonna happen. And I already see the setup. It looks hella nice. And for surely I need to get a Stockton port hat too. And yeah, so we're walking up, see what's up, and maybe try to get some visuals, some cinematic shots. As I tried it out earlier, so we'll see what's up. Yeah. Parking lot over here. So we got the limited car out here too.
But he was trying to get everything situated. When I finally got there, and I was like,
fuck.
I always thought that these were like, I still think that. I think that I'm the only one that actually want a real one and be posted because I see everything.
Single turbo. They're calling me, telling you I need to get another one for sure.
Alex.
Huh? Yeah. It's time I have my wheel fitment. Is that an Ultimate? Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Oh, these are sick too. The fitment on it though. Woo. Boy slammed. Gee, that works. Oh, the ESRs that I got. But mine are white. You feel me? It's clean. Front splitter fell down. Little vet. You got the same diffuser still on. I don't know how that happened. This is crazy. LT1. Though the crayons on the Honda too. Same rims I've been wanting to. The Leon Hardits. 350s and SIs. Still one. Little young YouTuber. Oh, 5.0. This is a twisted metal, huh? This is twisted metal, right?
Joker, yeah.
A lot of STIs and 350s. Might have to get myself a 350. Oh shit, Scion? What? The TC? These are some of the other ESRs I was about to get, but I got the other ones. Carbon fiber? Oh shit. Bags too? Gucci style?
It's basically what
Oh, I don't know about that color though. I don't know about that. Ooh, FRSs. Little Q80.
Did you fill out the cart?
This is another Honda I was about to get before I got the 10th gen. Man, this shit looks clean. VSKFs. Carbon fiber, dog. That diffuser, though. Yeah, they need to make one for the Honda, though, the Accord. Like, man. Got the old BRZ. Huh? Un Vocho? Type R? Oh, the smart car. What the fuck? That fitment though. That's wet. Kawaii. Yo. Oh, the Workmeisters? A highlighter? Oh.
Nah, it's my buddies. Yep. Should put a full suspension on. All right. I'm not taking a hard sale, man.
Gorilla Gang? Oh, okay. I got something to working with. For surely should have gotten a wider lip, bro. That shit looks clean. Same front grill I got. Ooh. Got airbags on this shit. I'm gonna have to get that banner real quick. MILF Hunter. Ooh, the rims though. What? Oh. Single turbo? Oh. My shit. Oh, she has T66 turbos, spoon engine, everything. Oh shit, I'm about to fucking Hector. About to be running them on Race Wars. Here's a second spoon engine. Old T66 turbo though. If y'all know, y'all know. Little fucking Fast and Furious reference. Probably put it on over the video. They for surely gotta make more fucking car events right here. This shit's clean. It'd be cool if they could fill up the side, the inside field though. That would have been hella cars. There could have been hella vendors. Hey, y'all, Clean Culture, hit me up, bro. I'm trying to give you some more ideas. Y'all could do some more, bro. I'm telling y'all. This car show's pretty good. I heard there's gonna be a little two-step right now or a limbo. I could honestly join in, but I don't know. Actually, the tires that I got from my little rims, I kind of raised up the car up a bit, so it's not as lowered. So I might lower it up a little bit. I need to show the car a little bit more since I just did put the rims on it. So yeah, bro, this car show is pretty clean. I got some. We just chilling right here on the bleachers, bro. This is cool. It's a cool little vibe. I wish I had a drink. I wish I was 21 already, but you know what I'm saying. I gotta wait another 2 months for that. So yeah, she's pretty clean. Hopefully Two-step gonna start soon. I'm not too sure when though. Cleanest BRZ in my opinion. I don't know. This is the cleanest motherfucking BRZ I've seen. It was at SEMA too, or not SEMA, Week Fest, San Jose. So this crew was over there. That shit's pretty clean. Underglow for sure. I'm gonna put some underglow on my car. That's coming soon. I need a little diffuser like that too. All right, that's it for us. The car show's still going until like 9 p.m. I might pull up a little bit later on. It's like barely six something right now, so I might pull up. So far, it was a pretty good show. Hopefully they keep doing it, and I see a lot of cops out, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna be doing the usual fucking waiting until everybody leaves and start pulling over people just for the fuck of it. You know, they gotta meet their quota. You know, it's already the end of the month. So yeah, actually I'm gonna show you the rims that I got too. So I got the ESR CS15s. They're 19s, so they low are actually bigger than what the other ones were, which are 17s. And yeah, they look pretty clean. It doesn't rub any at all, so I might lower it, obviously the back, maybe the front. I'm gonna see at what point does it not scrub or anything. So yep, I've seen a couple Hondas that, you know, gave me a little inspiration of what I should do. So I'm gonna see what's up and hopefully fix this thing up more, like I always be saying. So thank you. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you later.